In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an OpenAI API key. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into the OpenAI platform. Head over to OpenAI's website and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a simple process requiring just an email address and a secure password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the OpenAI dashboard, your central hub for all activities on the platform. Next, look for the billing section. On the main dashboard, you should see an option labeled Go to Billing. Click on it. This part of the process is essential because it ensures that all your account information is up to date and ready for any transactions or API usage in the future. Keeping your billing details accurate and current is a good practice that can save you from any potential hitches as you proceed. After checking into the billing section, your next step is to access the API keys area. Look for an option labeled API keys and click on it. This section is where we will create and manage our API keys, which are crucial for accessing OpenAI's resources programmatically. Now we'll create a new secret key. You'll find an option to create new secret key. Click this button to initiate the process of generating a new API key. It's important to note that API keys are sensitive pieces of information, and keeping them secure is paramount. Once you've clicked to create a new secret key, you'll be prompted to name it and select a project. Choosing a clear and descriptive name can help you manage multiple keys more efficiently, especially if you plan to work on various projects using OpenAI. Similarly, selecting the right project helps with organization and ensures that each key is easily associated with its intended use. After naming your key and selecting a project, the next step is to finalize the creation process. Click Create Secret Key to generate your API key. Make sure to keep this information secure and private. This API key is your access pass to OpenAI's powerful capabilities, so treat it with care. Finally, once the key is generated, you'll see an option to copy it. This is the last step in the process. Clicking on Copy ensures you can easily paste it into your development environment or wherever you need it, without the hassle of re-entering character by character. Remember, once navigated away, you may not be able to view this key again on the platform. And that's it. You now have your OpenAI API key ready to go. You can use it to unlock a myriad of features and tools provided by OpenAI. Be sure to keep your key secure and manage it carefully to maintain the integrity and security of your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.